Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use orbit controls with React 3 Fiber. So let's get started. So I have created a simple application using Vite, but if you want you can use any React.js framework, whatever you feel like. And what I mean by orbit controls is, suppose if I just hold my mouse, I can move it like this anywhere on the screen. I can pinch to zoom and zoom out as well. So yeah, that's what orbit controls basically are. So here you can see this is my Vite application, and basically inside package.json I have installed React 3 Dray, React 3 Fiber. Ignore these dependencies, these were automatically installed when I created a Vite application, and I have also installed this 3 dependency. And given that I'm using TypeScript, I have also installed @type/3. Then inside our app.tsx, all I have done is that I have imported canvas from React 3 Fiber. Then I have created another React component called experience. So if I show you experience, here you can see I have just created this cube ref as well as sphere ref, and inside this use frame I am just rotating our cube. This is not really important. Just to have orbit controls, you just have to import orbit controls from React 3 Dray and use it something like this. I have enabled damping and I have also made it as default. And here is our directional light. This is our mesh. This is our another mesh of cube ref, and here is our plane. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can have an orbit controls in React 3 Fiber. Thank you for watching. Bye.